Hello everyone! Welcome back to Story Time with Hajra. Today we are reading Sesame Street, Elmo Loves His Friends. So, let's get started. Elmo loves Abby. She brings giggles to each day. It's a bubbly kind of fun when Abby comes to play. Abby loves Grover. He's kind without a doubt. When they work together, magic is sure to sprout. Grover loves Rosita. She teaches him new songs. Rosita strums a happy tune and Grover drums along. Rosita loves Tango. She's playful and she's quick. Their favorite game is hide and seek. Which spot does Tango pick? Tango loves Elmo. He's so silly and sweet too. Elmo loves all his friends and Elmo sure loves you.